Hello friends and welcome to CS Specialnet. In this video we are going to learn one more PHP function, that is print function. Print function and echo function both are same. That is, by using print function or by using echo function we can print statements or statements onto the browser. But the only difference between echo function and print function is print function can print single statement only at a time. While working with echo function, we can add or we can print multiple statements at a time. So let's explore it more by using example. Here I have already started XAMPP control panel, and in previous example we have seen this echo function. So in the same example I use print function. Let's say the same statement, hello, or this is an example of okay, so this is a single statement. Okay, let me add one more br so we can get this. Okay, and now you just need to refresh this page and you can find this hello world. This is an example of print function. Okay, now I want to add one more function. Sorry, statement, like echo function. As you can find this statement and this statement, that is comma separated value. If I add statement over here, print function works same as echo. Now see this file by pressing Ctrl F and refresh. You can find an error over here, unexpected comma on line 5. That is over here. We can directly get this because we know that at line 5 and this is the comma, and after adding this statement or this comma only we get this error, thus we can get directly. So how can we add this thing? I mean, how can we add one more statement over here? We can use concatenate operator, but we'll learn concatenate operator later on. Here we are talking about this print function, and print function works same as echo, but the difference you can find now, the difference is print function can print only single statement at a time. So this is the second statement that I give as an argument, second argument. Print function is not a multi-argument or variable length argument function. Echo function works like variable length argument. So now again let me save this file and just refresh and you will get your output. So that's it with the print function in PHP. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.